Hello, my friends. At this moment, we are at the in the south of Lebanon. We came to visit the sea castle, and nearby I saw this fisherman in Sidon, which is a historic coastal city in Lebanon, located on the Mediterranean Sea. Fishing is an important economic activity, and the fisherman there is using various techniques to catch fish, including this, the use of fishing hooks. Fish hooking in Sidon is a common activity that you would see nearby, especially on the coastal areas.